Techie Founders here. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we continue with the Bootstrap classes, and in the end of this course, we are going to make a website like this. This is a Bootstrap website made for illustration to show how Bootstrap works and how you can use it to make websites. It is responsive, user-friendly, and mobile-friendly. Let us continue with our class. In this video, we're going to learn about the carousel or the slider, what many people refer to as the slider. And in Bootstrap, Bootstrap contains pre-built components that you don't have to make again. You can just copy and use in your code. So from the Bootstrap website, you go to documentation. Then inside documentation, on the left column, you can see component. Click on that, and inside the components there is carousel here. And now when you click on the carousel, a slideshow component for cycling through elements, e.g. images or slide of text like carousel. So this one is going to show images that slide on your website, and you have this is one. You have another kind of carousel with controls from both sides. This has no controls, and we have another one with the control, and another one with control and some titles. So I want us to use this one. You copy the code. This is the code for the carousel. Then you paste this on our file. Remember our file that we created for the website. You save this, then we view on the browser. Now you can see there's nothing because you have not linked our images, but you can see something is sliding, but there's nothing because this one is showing that the image does not exist. The file is trying to find the image. So we come to the code and give it the right path. Here, this is the first item active, so we go to source. In our folder here, we have I have created a folder inside the Bootstrap Learning folder where we have two elements. We have desk2 and desk. Okay, so we are going to call this desk. So we're going to give this image the path to the desk image, desk2 image. So image source is img, the name of the folder, slash desk2 dot jpg. You refresh, you see now we have the image, okay, and the controls here and here, but it's only one image, so let us give the same image to all the 3 slides. And we refresh now. As you can see, we have all the 3 slides and our website is sliding. Very nice. Now what you can do, you have also this is a heading. You can call this the welcome. Bootstrap Learning. Welcome to Bootstrap Learning. So we refresh our page, we'll be able to see, yeah, welcome to Bootstrap Learning. Let's give this different, give it a class. So class is equals to text dash danger. Don't mind the kids. Okay, now when you refresh, you're going to be able to see welcome to Bootstrap Learning. Yes. Okay, that is the end of our carousel class. I hope you enjoyed. Please practice, subscribe, and like the video. See you in the next video. Thank you.